Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Langdon, Alberta, a charming community with a rich history and beautiful surroundings. Langdon is located in Rocky View County, just a short drive east of Calgary, and it offers a peaceful rural setting with easy access to the vibrant city life of Calgary. The town of Langdon was named after R.B. Langdon, a contractor who worked with the Canadian Pacific Railway. This connection to the railway helped the community grow and thrive in its early years. Langdon has a rich Western heritage and a pioneering spirit that continues to shape its identity today. Surrounded by the stunning views of the Rocky Mountains, Langdon offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and small-town charm. Whether you're passing through or considering a visit, Langdon is a place where history and modern living come together in a delightful way. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Langdon, Alberta. Thanks for watching.